Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why there's nothing on my lips, it's because today's video is all about iconic lip combinations. Called classic lipsticks, liners, glosses, the works. Let's hit that like button, subscribe, and jump in. Okay, before we begin, I'm going to be using Bioderma and these little handy dandy cotton pads. I really find it gets rid of all the dead skin off your lips, and it's the perfect base to do a lip. Okay, starting out strong with Endless Cacao by Makeup Forever. It is the most cool toned lip liner you will ever find, and I'm going to be pairing it with none other than Chanel Boy. This is the most natural, cool toned lipstick. It has like the slightest amount of sheen to it, not shiny, not sticky, but I mean, look at how gorgeous that is. It's very natural, a little bit 90s, and this is a cult classic for a reason. Chanel Boy, if you don't own it, you can thank me later. Okay, taking that off, moving on. Fun fact, this is my wedding lip. Okay, we're using Pillow Talk Medium by Charlotte Tilbury. It's a little deeper than the original. And then I'm going in with Charlotte Tilbury Gracefully Pink. It is such a beautiful corally pink. It's not too flat on the lip, and it's a little bit matte, but it is stunning. Perfect for wedding season if you're a bride or even if you're a springtime guest. I'm telling you, it is just such a pretty, pretty shade. Look how happy I am. Okay, Bioderma, let's take that off and move on to our next lip combination. Okay, this is the Clinique Chubby Sticks in the shade Fuller Fig. Emily Dondeo turned me onto this. She said this was her holy grail lip product. Maybe a little deep for me, but it is truly stunning. It's very natural, very flexible on the lip. I mean, Chubby Sticks do not get the recognition they need, but it is such a great summertime lip. A moment for the lip, people. Okay, taking it off. Moving on to another Charlotte Tilbury iconic nude. This lip liner was named so correctly because it is iconic and it is nude. And then we're going in with a Revlon product, Bare It All. This is the most gorgeous natural lip product I've ever used, and it is drugstore, people. Drugstore does not mean it is lesser than. There's a place for it in everybody's makeup kit for $7. I mean, look at how pretty that lip is. It is the perfect nude lip combination. Okay, moving on to one of my favorite combinations. It's Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine. If you do not own this lip liner, what are you doing? Hailey Bieber's a big fan, and that says it all. We're going to move on with another Charlotte Tilbury lip, and it is none other than Pillow Talk. Fun fact, I gifted this to all my bridesmaids because I thought it was the most universal, flattering shade of a nudie pink, and it is. Pillow Talk is just the most beautiful color. I don't know why I don't wear it enough. Yeah. I think I need to bring it back. Again, cult classic lipstick, blowing kisses to the camera, taking it off. Okay, this is a brow product. The Rimmel pencil in Hazel for your eyebrows is actually such a beautiful lip pencil. I used to do this all the time in college. This pencil has been around 4 years. It's like the most beautiful little brownie nude. And then going in with another cult classic lipstick. This is MAC Whirl. It is kind of like this deep, dusty, rosy brown. It's a little deeper than, your average nude, but how gorgeous is that? Again, another cult classic lipstick, following for a reason. Let's hope they never discontinue this thing. Moving on with my all-time favorite lip liner. It is the Hourglass lip liner in the shade Expose. I think this is going to be the most perfect lip combination. How pretty is this? Pairing it with Chanel lip gloss in the shade Icing. It is the most beautiful baby doll pinky shade. It just gives the right amount of pigment, the right amount of shine, and just so, so pretty. And taking it off for our next lip, and it is a Patrick Ta one. Patrick Ta, she's bold. It's a little more of a brownie mahogany shade liner. It is gorgeous. I've had it forever, and I don't think they get the recognition they deserve. Patrick Ta liners, they're actually gorgeous, creamy, more of a pencil crayon. And I'm going in with the cult classic NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm. It is like a very matte. You know when you used to put like concealer on your lips? This is that, but better. I'm not overly washed out, but it gives you that perfect matte nude lip. Okay, taking that off. Okay, this product is fun. It's a contour stick for your lips made by Q Beauty. It's kind of this perfect little brown, so I'm going to go around my lips, not necessarily line them. And then I'm going in with Nudestix in Sunkissed and just patting it. It is the perfect no makeup look. You cannot tell you're wearing anything, but if you want to take this look from day to night, I highly recommend adding a gloss. So I'll add Chanel in Melted Honey. It has a ton of little sparkles in it. It just kind of elevates that no makeup look. Let's take that guy off and move on with Chanel Nude Brune. Brune? Braun? Not 100% sure how to pronounce it, but we're going to give it a go. It is this beautiful deep nude color. And we're going to go in. Oh, this is a luxury lip with Dior lip oil. If you know, you know. The lip oils are gorgeous. Really, they're just another glorified name for a gloss. But in deep mahogany, it adds a little more berryness to the lip. Maybe more for fall, but it could be beautiful for summer too. And I look pretty happy. Taking that off. Okay guys, it wouldn't be a lip video without Nude Beige by NYX. This is such a gorgeous lip pencil. It is nude, it is neutral, it doesn't lean too cool, doesn't lean too warm, kind of your lips but better. And I'm going to pair it with this Red Camellia Lip and Cheek Balm from Chanel. This is the perfect French girl lip, you know, where it's like you're adding a little bit of rouge, but you can't really tell. But hold please, because there's a little bit of a nude lip liner over it. Honestly, if you've never tried this combination of a nude lip liner with a red lip, it is so good. It's very subtle, kind of your lips but better, but you can tell there's a little something to it. Just a moment for that beautiful lip. Kissing my future self for when I record this video. Okay, taking it off and moving on with a red lip. MAC Cherry is such a good lip pencil. It is bright, people. You have to be a little more cautious when you're doing it with a red lip liner. Take your time. And then, of course, going in with MAC Ruby Woo. This has a cult following again for a reason. It's the perfect red-blue lipstick. And it is so beautiful. It's so good on so many skin tones. I'm telling you. Fair, medium, dark, olive, beige, peachy. It is just the most gorgeous summer red lip. And we'll take that off and wrap up this video. I'll finish this video by just putting a nude lipstick back on for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I had fun filming this. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.